Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes using your ACER Chromebook 315's camera. First, you have to open the Start menu and search for the camera application in it. Open it. And once you open it, you're gonna have to select Scan at the bottom of the camera settings and then face your QR code to your laptop's camera, and then select QR code option right here. Center your QR code in this square, and then select open your resource that you wanted to reach using this QR code. And so, as you can see, we just reached the website, and that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.